Hello dear students, welcome back. I am Sharda Lande, your English teacher. So student, today we are going to start our English lecture. Okay. Students, in our previous lecture, you study English lesson. Which lesson? 6 number lesson. And what was the name of this lesson? This lesson name is It's Only a Matter of Practice. What is the name of this lesson? Its name is student. It's only a matter of practice. Student, in our previous lecture, you study in this lesson. This is the story. This is the story about the Chinese person who was a great archer. This story is belonging to the Chinese person who was a great archer. And what was the name of this person? His name is Chen Yozi. What is the name of this person? His name is Chen Yozi. And also you study a very important thing about an old man who was also belonging to China. Students, in this lesson you study about the Chen Yozi, who was a great archer, who was a great skilled archer. And that's why students, Chen Yozi was a very overconfident about his skill, about his talent. He thought that he was one of the great archer in this whole world. And that's why always he show off his skill to the admiring crowds. But one day he met an old person. He met an old man who was a simple man. He was a common man who was a very simple and a common man who was a oil seller. When Chen Yozi what met that old person, that time the old person said to Chen Yozi that he was show off his skill to the admiring crowds, to gather the attention of the peoples, and to go because of to gather the attention of the peoples. But the old man said that it's just only matter of practice. That time Chen Yozi getting very annoyed with the old person. And now Chen Yozi said to the old person that, do you think that you are an archer? So that time the old person said that, no, I don't doubt your skill. I just only said that it's only a matter of practice. It means that students, Chen Yozi was a very overconfident for his skill. But a oil seller who was a very common man, he has also skill, but he has also skill. He has a skill, but he don't get overconfident about his skill. He said that it's only a matter of practice. An old person said that, which thing you did a long time. So that's why definitely you have a perfect on your skill. Which thing you want to perfect? If you did this thing a long time, so you have to definitely perfect in this thing. But Chen Yozi was think that he was a great archer, and the old person said that it's only a matter of practice. These two things you study in this lesson, students. So, and also in our previous lecture you study two questions. First question is, Answer the meanings of the words. Give the meanings of the words. And the another question is adding ing. Now today we are going to continue the exercise of this lesson. So today's our first question is answer the following questions. In this question you have a 4 question A, B, C and D. So now let's see first question A, okay. So question number A, who was Chen Yozi? Who was Chen Yozi? So students, who was Chen Yozi? I told you so many times. Who was Chen Yozi? The answer is student, Chen Yozi was a very skilled archer. Chen Yozi was a very skilled archer. Question number B. What did he like? Here he means that Chen Yozi, okay? He means Chen Yozi. So question is what did he like? Means what did Chen Yozi likes? So the answer is this question is students, he liked to show off his skill to the admiring crowds that gathered around him. What did Chen Yozi likes? He liked to show off his skill to the admiring crowds that gathered around him. Now let's see question number C. Question C is students, what did the old man say? What did the old man say? So the answer is students, old man said that I don't doubt your skill. I don't doubt your skill. All I said was everything is a matter of practice. What did the old man say that students? Old man said that the old man don't doubt the Chen Yozi skill. But the old man said that everything is a matter of practice. So the answer is students, the old man said that I don't doubt your skill. All I said was everything is a matter of practice. Now question number D. What could the old man do? What could the old man do? Describe it in one sentence. What could the old man do? Describe it in one sentence. The answer is students, old man put a coin with a little hole at the center and pour oil into the gourd from a height without being a single drop of oil fall on the coin. It means that students, what could the old man do? Describe it in a one sentence. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें वन लाइन में इसको डिस्क्राइब करना है. What could the old man do? मतलब जो ओल्ड पर्सन था उन्होंने क्या किया. तो उन्होंने क्या किया था, क्या करके बताया था उन्होंने चेन योजी को. उन्होंने क्या किया था, एक बॉटल ली थी. द ओल्ड मैन पुट अ कॉइन विथ अ लिटिल होल. उन्होंने एक बॉटल ली थी और उसी बॉटल के ऊपर एक कॉइन रखा था जिस कॉइन को होल था. आपको मैंने पिक्चर में दिखाया था जब आपको मैंने लेसन पढ़ाया था. तो उस कॉइन में होल था और चेन योजी को वो जो ओल्ड पर्सन थे वो दिखाना चाहते थे कि जैसे उनके पास स्किल है तो वैसे ही ओल्ड पर्सन जो है उनके पास भी एक स्किल है, एक, क्योंकि वो सालों से वो काम कर रहे थे. जो ओल्ड पर्सन जो थे वो कौन थे, वो ऑयल सेलर थे और वो सालों से वो काम कर रहे थे. उनका काम क्या था, एक बॉटल लेना और उस बॉटल के ऊपर कॉइन पकड़ना और वो उस कॉइन में जो होल था उस होल के थ्रू वो बॉटल ऑयल से फिलअप करना था. तो ये जो ओल्ड पर्सन थे ये बहुत ही ऊंचाई से, मतलब ऊपर से, हाइट से जो ऑयल था वो उस कॉइन के थ्रू उस बॉटल के अंदर डालते थे. तो जब वो ऑयल उसके अंदर डालते थे तो उस टाइम वन ड्रॉप, अ सिंगल ड्रॉप, मतलब वन ड्रॉप भी नीचे कहीं गिरता नहीं था. ना ही कहीं से वो बॉटल पे गिरता था, ना ही कहीं पे ज़मीन पे गिरता था। तो ये जो था, ये जो ओल्ड पर्सन था, ये उसका स्किल था। मतलब वो कहीं पे भी जो ऑयल थी था, मतलब जो तेल था, उसकी एक बूंद भी नीचे गिराए बिना वो उस कॉइन के थ्रू उस बॉटल में वो ऑयल डाल सकते थे। So the answer is, students, the old man put a coin with a little hole at the center and pour oil into the gourd from a height without being a single drop of oil fall on the coin. So I hope, students, all of you understood all these questions. Okay, students? Students, today we see the 4 question. Okay? Now, students, all of you write these question answers in your notebook 2 times. Okay, we will meet in our next lecture, and we will going to continue the other exercise of this lesson. Thank you.